up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with my very special guest. Hi, guys! Alright, so we decided that for today's video, we would do something a little different. We are going to be doing a throwback. We had a spring break, like our sophomore year of college. And we picked out on pizza and
we had cookies.
It was just very much locked in the dorm.
Yeah, it was a terrible situation, but we had the best of it. It was a great time, great memories.
So we're revamping that. So we're gonna do it adult style. If we were locked in, what would we make? And we are giving you vegan charcuterie board goodness.
Yes.
So if you want to see how we make this, just keep watching. But before you go, you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
All of that.
All of that. And I'll see y'all next time. Forgot that we're supposed to be recording, y'all coming with us. We are now looking for vegan cheese. So real cheese. We need vegan cheese. I think we're getting close. Oh yeah, we're definitely in the vegan section. Please hold. So, ooh, what do you think about doing strawberry cream cheese on some of these toasted baguettes? That might be good. Let's try it. Okay, up there, top right hand corner. And then maybe let's get the block of the jalapeno Havarti. Yeah, we can do some cute. Which kind of hummus should we get? I'm feeling roasted red pepper. Oh wait, hold on. Cilantro jalapeno majestic sprouted hummus? That sounds actually kind of delicious. Alright, here are some things that I use, but you can use whatever you'd like. So I'm gonna get started by taking my cutting board and I am just gonna put on my sliced peaches. I was trying to go for something a little artistic, but this is what we got. Went ahead with some candied pecans, and as you can see, I'm just lining around my fruit. Then I've got some saltines. I probably would have picked better crackers if I didn't already have these. Then I've got my toasted sourdough baguette. Putting on the carrots, I got some cherry tomatoes in a variety of colors. Got my jam here, a little bed of lettuce for my hummus. You see the strawberry cream cheese. And that's it, y'all. Here's some photos of what it finally looked like. And if you want to know how it tastes, just keep watching. All right, y'all, and we're back. So what did you think of the video? That's pretty easy, right? Pretty easy. So now let's get into it. All the goodness. You saw what went on here, so we don't need to break it down.
Nope.
We are just gonna go for it. There's a lot of new things on here that we haven't tried, so very
a lot of flavors, a lot of different things going on. I'm excited.
All right, so you want to try the cream cheese first?
Yeah.
What are you gonna try the cream cheese with? Bread?
Yes.
So I'm excited because we toasted these, so you know we wanted some crunch. I want y'all to actually see the struggle.
It is a little, you know.
Okay, so I can tell you about this vegan strawberry cream cheese is that it smells amazing.
It does. It literally smells like a strawberry milkshake.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
While you do that, I'm gonna taste some of this fruit. Go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna get into this quince spread. So I've never had this before. Oh, we're losing charcuterie.
It's a fruit from Iran and Turkey and something else we looked up. I don't remember.
Oh, it's delicious.
It is?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay. Should I try it with the bread or cracker? Or just, yeah.
Okay, it's giving you like the, I don't know, I love fig preserve and apricot preserve, and it tastes like if I mixed both of those together.
That is gonna be love.
It's really good. I like that. Isn't it good? I'm gonna go.
No, that's it.
The candy pecans, fire. Okay, we got this hummus that looked very interesting.
It does.
Never quite seen hummus like this before.
Nope.
Never had a love like this. That's why you can't do the book by its cover.
Because it definitely, you know,
looks sus.
The cover is...
It definitely looks sus.
Well,
I'm gonna try it with the carrot.
try. Because it looks very sus, but all these mms are making me So I'm a
Period. You see what I mean? Right. Okay, I'm gonna get into this strawberry cream cheese.
Oh, hummus is balking. It's balking.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. The strawberry cream cheese tastes like a strawberry Go-Gurt.
That's what it is.
It tastes exactly like strawberry
what
Go-Gurt.
it is. That's too funny.
Yeah. I mean, that's really it to try.
The hummus is busting though.
So we're gonna go recreate the rest of our college locked-in experience, and we're gonna go watch some tunes. Maybe we're gonna just binge watch Sister Girl Tuesday. I mean,
I think that's a move.
I think you should do it too.
I think so.
Thanks so much for watching. Again, you already know. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Bye.